stuff.
It's just a circus.
No, it's a circus.
You ain't seen nothing till you get down there. All right, well, thank you guys. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome.
Gonna go check a game cam here that I put out the other day. I'm gonna change out the card, and then we're gonna go on to another area. Not sure what area yet. Oh, look at that. I didn't see that the other day. No, this is from the hurricane. And it's getting worse and worse. I mean, what the heck? Oh, that's not, I thought this is where I go in. I'm like, what the heck? But man, look at this. That's a floater. This is new. This one here, these two, this is like been up here behind that tree. And then you got that arch, and these are holding that arch down. That is the new part. We saw that the other day. Oops, that was me stepping on a branch. Oh, okay. Look at the way this is clipped in. Here, down here.
That could be nature.
Yep. Absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah, this is, I'm telling you, it's almost impossible anymore to come here in this spot.
This is massive destruction.
It is. And not, there used to be nice, you know, structures here, and now they're gone. What we're going to do today is just randomly find a path and walk in it a little bit to see if we see anything. And I just found this path. It's a pretty distinct path straight to that arch with being pinned down by another tree. So I'm on my way in there. See if we see any other signs and take a couple pictures. There's a distinct path going right around here. That's nice. Look at that. I like that. So you have the, oh my gosh, you have an arch behind it too. And it is being pinned down by that. Yeah, that's pretty neat. There's an arch there too. It's a pointer pointing in that way. And this is holding down this arch above me. And you gotta, that sounded like a damn cow. Could have been a buck, could have been a deer. Yeah, we just found this trail. Brought our sandwiches, so we're gonna walk back here and see how if we can find any signs. Today's just a day of looking around, scouting around. We call them misadventures. There's a nice trail that goes that way. Game trail.
There's another one.
Yeah. Well, yeah. What'd you find? Oh my goodness, check that out. That's neat.
It's nature.
It's neat though, huh? Come over here. I'm sorry. That's wild. That's cool.
It did turn out.
It did turn out. Yeah, that's neat. A little pine tree that was bent through the years. Wow, that's wild.
Right.
Oh, look at this. I found something.
I saw it.
Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got to go back here. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff back here. We found this little arch here. And it's pinned down by all this stuff down here. But what I liked is this little tuning fork stuck right in there. And there's another one stick going down in there. So this is pretty neat. We just found this little trail. And from this trail, we found this other trail, which we're going to investigate it. Oh, that is nice. Right there in front of us. You have an arch right here, which is nice. My phone going off. Hey, what's this about?
This is the party place.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, look at that.
But they didn't do that.
No, that is nice. And then you have this little arch here, and then you got, oh boy, this is a nice little area. Oh, look at that arch over there pinned down. Man, look at this asterisk. Well, you consider this an asterisk, I guess. Oh, the tuning fork right below it. Wow, I'm finding all kinds of stuff. Look at this. Look at how this is constructed down here. This is pretty wild. You have. I am. You have like an X here, and all this is intertwined in here together. You have an arch behind that with this stick propping it up and this asterisk right above us. Wow. And there's another arch over there being pinned down by that branch. Oh, we're going to have to get in here. Yeah, we'll be here for a minute. Neat little area here. You have a tuning fork here, but it's a tree in the ground. But you have this thing floating here, and it's over and under. See, this goes under that, and it's on top of that. So that's neat. And then you have this down here, which looks like this was scraped off, whether it was a deer or what have you. This is scraped off nice, and then you have this stick poked in the ground with a point. Look at that. Poked right in the ground there. This is a really nice area. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I can't even So it had to be really pushed in because I can't make it stand. Well, okay. Oh my goodness. Looking at this. This arch here I like because this one is pinned down by this. I don't think it came from this because that's thinner than this. Could have though, but yeah, that's neat. That's neat. This is a neat area here. I'm excited. Pretty thick too. I think I see an X back there. I'm gonna be going back to see another arch. Don't stop. It stopped. That thing was just going. You did? You did? Oh gosh, I'm coming. All right. I think this here. What is it? Oh, that's, whoa, that's good. And I was looking at this too. Let me come this way here.
As long as I get a can to make a train.
Yeah, that is neat. That is neat. So you have a tuning fork coming up here, going through this, right? Then you have this one going through here, and this is behind here, and this is kind of clipped in right here. It's like a little decoration. That's pretty neat. That's pretty wild to fall right like that.
Yeah, no, that's not nice.
Right like that. That's wild.
Not even with the twisters.
No, that's good. That's really good. I like that. Oh, look at that one. You have that tuning fork right there leaned up against that tree. I'm going to go see if that's stuck there.
Yeah, that could be natural.
And look at this. I found this. It's all stripped right here. All up to here. That's pretty neat. And that's a tuning fork too. So maybe we'll put that there. I'm going to go look at this just to see. I want to see if this is put here. Where would it come from? Whoa, what's up there? A big old nest.
Yep, probably squirrel.
Yeah, that's a nice nest, huh? Yeah.
That could be natural.
Let's look. It's poked in. It's poked in there. Interesting. Wow, I like this area. All right, now I'm gonna finish this when I was going. I mean, the ground is so crazy with leaves. I mean, there's impressions, but who knows? You can't really see a definite anything. Oh, look at that X right there. Right there. That's nice. Yeah. Wow. So the road's right there, we know. So we're going this way. I want to see what... Oh! Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I mean, I'm sure the pine tree is natural, but around the pine tree, there's some interesting... Yeah. Well, that's over. That's over that one right there. This is wild. Look, you have a break right there. 2 arches there. A break there at the bottom. Wow. This is nice. Golly. Look at this. That is broke up there, going under that pine. Then you guys break right there, under the pine. Then you have this under the pine. Then you have this going down over this one. Well, this is a lot of good stuff right here. Wow. I like that. And then you got that one over that one. And you got a break and a break right here. Right here. Brink. Look at this tuning fork down here. Oh, that's wild. That right there is pretty cool. I really like this. Oh, good. Oh, yeah, I see it. Now, this area here, we believe some microburst, tornado, wind, because nothing's constructed. Everything just fell. There's nothing like constructed here. Okay, good. Coming. We're gonna go sit on a log and eat lunch. This area we've never even stepped foot in, but I'm liking it. And some of the signs that I've seen in the beginning when we first walked in. And this one here to me is interesting right here, only because it's stripped, like right here, and it's holding this. Oh wow, this is floating. This one here is floating.
Is it in and out?
It's clipped in right there, and it's being held down by this stick right here, and this stick has been stripped. So, and that's a floater, no, it's from that tree down there. This right here looks like a nesting thing. Look, this is hanging here. And this
Definitely a cover.
definitely looks like a cover. This part to me looks natural there, out there. But this part to me looks like a cover. Yeah, it does. Because you have that. Yep. And you have this arch here going over that, and it's being held down by that one. Oh, this is definitely a cover. Something can sit right in here. Maybe something's going to eat lunch with us. Who knows? That's nice, right here. Look at this. It is completely white. And that could be a marker in the dark. That's what the people are saying. See this? This is completely stripped off. Nice and smooth. And it's leaning on that, holding it down. This here is a nice little area. It's really quiet too. Oh, I just, so I was looking at this again because it's so stripped and white compared to all these other ones. This one's starting to get that way, but this one here looks like it was placed there in the midst of all this. There's another nest up there. We've found a couple of nests, probably a squirrel nest or something. I just thought that was neat. In the midst of this, this reminds me of a nest too. Perfect little spot right there to sit in. Yeah, perfect spot. I think it's crazy how you have a stick going this way and a stick going this way, and this one is weaved. That one is weaved. And kind of going up together like that. And then you have a little stick on the bottom of that. But I want to go look at something. Oh, this is crazy in here. Ooh. Oh, wow. This gets really nice. We can probably go to the trail this way. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow. That's crazy to me because it's... Oh, that's weird. I was looking at this pine tree and there's no other branch like that up there, like this. this is totally stripped to a tuning fork. Wow. This is crazy. And this is, look at this, how this is clipped in. It's on top like this, and it's under this one. This is wild. That is really neat. It's under that, on top of that, and down here to a tuning fork, and it's stripped. I don't even know if that's a pine. I gotta look at it. All right, so we'll take this trail out to the main trail. This is a game trail. And, what was that? What was that? I think it was a bird. Yeah, I don't hear it. Yeah, this is nice. Can't wait to look at this, how they look at how they come in. The game trail goes like this, like in a circle. Huh? I think this way. Yeah, you got two ways you can go. That's funny how they made a little trail. The little animals that live in the forest. Oh, that's a fresh break over there. What is sticking out of that? Oh yeah, I was looking at this. Fresh break right here. It's neat. I would think the trail would still be this way, don't you? I hope. Good. There's a nice little break right there and a break over there.
You got noise?
Where? In front of us?
To the side of us.
Oh yeah, right here. Oh yeah.
Right.
And look at that. That's kind of weaved in over there, and it's smooth. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is the neatest looking thing. It's so curvy.
It almost looks like my devil's backbone.
Oh my gosh. That is cool. Now that would really be cool if that wasn't growing there and it was stuck in. But it looks like it's growing. Whatever it is, path, whatever kind of path this is, it's well defined. And still on the well-defined path. Well, not so much well-defined here, but right there it picks up. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's neat. I bet you that's a little something. Look at this ground glyph. Shoot. There's some trash. Did we see that trash on the way in?
We see trash.
Okay.
But it's close to the trail, so we gotta be close to the trail.
Should we go to that way?
When we went deep, there was no more trash.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go this way and then up, maybe? Nope. Maybe there's a trail over here. Well, where we were was the best so far. Trail a little bit. Didn't look so promising as it did in there. Okay. Up there is what you call a widowmaker. Widowmaker. We don't want to walk underneath that. We're hitting another trail that we never hit. I have the meter on, but this time I have it on magnetic, and the batteries are almost dead because I forgot to put batteries in it.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Like an opening.
So this is our first time on this trail as well. Let's see what happens. I think I'm going to film behind. I always have good luck filming behind. Oh, look, there's an arch right there. And there, oh, look at the path. So far, I just see one little arch. Okay. So this apparently was moved somehow. We're out here in the middle of nowhere and no sign of nothing. And that has an impression where this thing has been moved by something or someone. There's no second area in here, and we are really not seeing any signs. No structures. No nothing. We're still walking. You have to walk to check it out. I see, you just have to keep going. The meter's not going off here either. So that's been super quiet. We're just about to turn around when I noticed this big, huge X right there. You can see it. Trees are swaying, I think, in the back. They're creaking. That was Dawn, that noise in the background, but I'm gonna head on out, go sit on a log and have some water. I just saw that big huge X, that was nice to see. Oh boy, it's gonna be a hot day. But a good day. So we found the log. We're just sitting on it and listening to our surroundings. Because it's so quiet. Couple little birds. Did you hear anything?
That was heavy.
What?
You didn't hear that?
Yeah, something in front of us. Going back here because I saw an arch. I know, I'm making all the noises, scaring everything away. Coming through like a bear. I just want to see what I got over here. Not as good as I thought. No, not really. I didn't think it looked that great. It looked natural. I thought it was a pine tree and it was just an oak. Well, we made it to Ancient just for a little bit, end of our day. We had a very nice day, did some exploring in new areas, found a new spot. Just wanted to come here and check everything out. It's been a while since we've been to the back. So I got the meter on as well. All right.
That's new, isn't it?
That big tree? I'm not sure. I can't remember being there. I think the stepping out was in there. That's what I really do. I really do. Hey, I just heard something move on this tree and something just fell down.
I heard it.
You did? I don't see anything. We're heading out for the day. Had a great day. I just smelled that dirty shoe smell. It's not here now. Well, anyway, that was interesting. The meter has not gone off at all today. Nice quiet day. Did a little exploring to see what we can check out, something new. We found a spot. We're happy. And it's getting hot, really hot. But we had a great day, and this is Ancient. I'm leaving Ancient. If you ever watched this video I have called Stepping Out, this is that area. This is where the leg stepped out. We were filming backwards with this thermal. And this is where it happened. Right here. I'm filming behind now. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.